Let's cut to the chase. This might just be the most exciting drone of 2025. If you thought ultralight meant underpowered, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is here to prove you very, very wrong. Think of it as the compact sports car of drones. Small, sleek, but an absolute beast under the hood. Whether you're a seasoned creator or someone who just wants to look cool flying a mini aircraft around the park, buckle up, this one's going to blow your propellers off now. Let's talk legacy. DJI's Mini series has always struck a golden balance. Portability meets power. These drones are tiny enough to fit in your jacket pocket, but come loaded with features good enough for serious production work. But if we're being honest, and we always are here, previous Mini models, while impressive, weren't flawless. Battery life was okay, camera performance was solid but not show-stopping, and the safety features were good but not quite pro grade. But all of that is about to change. The Mini 5 Pro is fixing one of the biggest creative buzzkills in drone flying: short flight time. Thanks to a rumored 4,680 mAh battery, delivering 33.5 watt-hours of energy, this drone could offer up to 50, maybe even 60 minutes of uninterrupted flight. That's more than enough to shoot a sunrise, explore a landscape, or film a full real estate walkthrough without running back to charge. Add 6.5W fast charging, and you're back in the sky faster than you can say battery low. For creators on a schedule, this is a total game changer. Let's talk visuals. The Mini 5 Pro is reportedly packing a 1-inch sensor, the kind typically found in high-end compact cameras. It means way better low-light shots, richer colors, and cinematic sharpness in every frame. Whether you're filming during golden hour or capturing moody landscapes at dusk, this drone won't let you down. No more grainy footage or washed-out skies. If you're into weddings, real estate, or travel content, you'll appreciate just how professional your footage looks straight out of the camera. Another big innovation is the full 360 gimbal rotation. This means smoother panoramic shots and more creative camera moves without the physical limitations of past models. You can fly around your subject or shoot epic orbits without worrying about hitting a stop point. It opens up a whole new level of freedom for vloggers, filmmakers, and content creators looking for fresh angles. It's basically your drone's version of yoga. Now, let's get into safety and smart tech. DJI is seriously stepping up obstacle avoidance with improved forward-facing infrared or LiDAR sensors that can detect objects up to 25 meters away. But here's the cool part. It doesn't just stop. It intelligently reroutes. That means safer flying even in tight urban alleys or dense forests. Combine that with better subject tracking, and the Mini 5 Pro can follow people or vehicles through complex environments without losing its cool. And if you're someone who forgets to pack your SD card, no stress. This drone features 32 gigabytes of internal storage, giving you a safety net for those critical moments. As for connectivity, DJI's latest O4 transmission system could stretch your control range to an incredible 20 kilometers with ultra-low latency and higher race live view. That's confidence in your hands, whether you're flying across open fields or controlling from a city rooftop. Oh, and overheating, not an issue. DJI added vented motors and optimized airflow to keep things cool during long sessions, perfect for warm climates or high altitude. Flights, it gets even smarter with the flight features. The new quick launch mode allows you to get airborne. With a single tap, cinematic mode slows movements for that buttery film-like glide. Active Track 6.0 keeps your subject locked in the frame even as they zigzag around obstacles. And the new waypoint mode? You can now pre-plan multiple GPS points, camera angles, and speeds, letting your drone fly a choreographed route like it's on autopilot. It's precision flying made easy. DJI is also going hands-free. With built-in voice commands, you can launch, record, or return the drone without touching a controller. Imagine setting up your camera tripod with one hand while commanding your drone with your voice. It's a solo creator's dream. And yes, the DJI Fly app is getting upgraded to faster gimbal calibration, smarter battery swaps, real-time storage checks, and maybe even built-in editing templates for quick posting on the go. As for controllers, DJI's got you covered from basic to premium. The entry level or C-on2 is perfect for beginners. But if you want the best, go with the RC2 or RCN3, which come with built-in HD displays and customizable buttons. No smartphone needed. Want to take immersion to the next level? The Mini 5 Pro is expected to support DJI Goggles 3 for full FPV first-person view. It's like stepping inside the drone itself. And perhaps the most underrated win, it still weighs under 250 grams. That keeps it within the no registration required class in most countries like the US and EU. So, if you're a travel vlogger or international shooter, you can skip the red tape and just fly. Lightweight, legal, legendary. Lastly, let's not forget the build. The foldable arms now feature a twist hand click locking system that's faster and more durable. Reinforced joints mean it can handle thousands of folds without loosening up. Fold it, pack it, unfold it, it's ready whenever and wherever you are. So, what we're looking at here isn't just a drone, it's a revolution in your backpack. The DJI Mini 5 Pro might just be the best sub-250G drone ever made. Packing pro-grade power into a frame that weighs less than your average cup of coffee. If you're a traveler, content creator, or just someone who wants to explore aerial creativity, this is the drone to watch. Let me know in the comments what feature are you most hyped about? The new sensor? The battery life? That epic gimbal movement? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the official launch coverage and our full hands-on test. And check out the videos on your screen right now for more deep dives into drones, gear, and tech that's changing the game. Stay creative, stay curious, and as always, fly safe.